How do personal space norms differ across cultures? Imagine walking into a room and feeling like everyone is invading your space, or maybe you're the one standing too close without realizing it. Personal space is a fascinating part of how we interact socially, and it varies a lot around the world. In some countries like the United States, Northern Europe, and the United Kingdom, people prefer to keep a larger distance from strangers, about 1.2 meters or 4 feet. This reflects values of privacy and individualism. When greeting someone, a handshake is common, and physical contact is minimal. In contrast, many European countries like France and Italy tend to have moderate personal space, usually around 0.6 to 0.9 meters, or 2 to 3 feet. People in densely populated places like India and Japan often stand even closer, sometimes just over 0.6 meters. This is partly because of crowded living conditions and social customs that emphasize closeness. South American countries such as Argentina and Peru are known for their warmth and expressiveness. People often stand as close as 0.76 meters, or about 2.5 feet, during conversations. Touching and physical closeness are seen as signs of friendliness and trust. In many Asian countries like China and South Korea, personal space with strangers averages about 0.97 meters, or 3 feet 2 inches. But with friends and family, it shrinks to about 0.48 meters, or 1 foot 7 inches. This shows how strong community bonds influence comfort levels with closeness. Population density also plays a big role. In crowded cities like Cairo or Mexico City, people get used to less personal space because environmental constraints make it unavoidable. This often results in a different sense of comfort compared to less crowded areas. Relationship closeness also affects personal space. As relationships grow closer, the distance usually shrinks. But how much it shrinks varies from culture to culture. South American cultures tend to reduce the distance more significantly between strangers and loved ones, while Asian or European cultures keep a bit more space even with close friends. Understanding these differences helps us avoid misunderstandings. For example, what feels like an invasion of space in the United States might be seen as a sign of friendliness in Brazil or Spain. Recognizing that personal space is shaped by culture allows us to communicate more smoothly across borders. So, next time you meet someone from a different country, remember that personal space norms are not universal. They are part of a bigger picture of cultural values and social habits. Respecting these differences makes every interaction more comfortable and respectful.